Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Daily, and today's video will be what's on my phone. So this is the front of it, and as you see I have the K symbol because of my first name, so I had the K. Then you have Google Files where you have the assistants, you have Google Mail, Google Gallery, not is, Maps, YouTube Music, Duo, Drive, and File. Beside that you have Calendar, then Contacts, then Play Store. At the bottom you have Phone, Messages, Chrome, and then Camera. When I go to the side, you'll see some apps that are basically on the phone. So in a file here I have YouTube, where I have my editing apps along with the YouTube Studio. So I have CapCut, YouTube Studio, Vita, PixArt, Fonto, Remove Background, VLLO, InShot, and Snap Mode. The Snap Mode is an app where I can put a picture inside a phone frame but not a video. Still trying to look at Android one for a video. If you guys know of any, please comment in the comment box. So beside that you have Pinterest, where I go to get ideas and basically aesthetic pictures like my background. I have Sheen, I have Linked, where it's basically where you go to look work on. Don't know why I have it. As game I have Fruit Ninja, then I have WhatsApp, Wattpad, TikTok of course. Another game is Ludo. And I have Share It, Picture Grader, where I used to grade up my pictures, and Keep Note is where I do some notes. As these are just basically everything that was on the front, as I said before. Assistant, then now you have calculator, calendar as usual, camera, and we have camera, CapCut, Chrome, calendar, contacts, drive, Duo, files, Fruit Ninja again. We have Galaxy Store here, galleries, Gmail, Google TV, InShot, Internet, Keep Note. We have the Facebook Lite, we have the Linked, we have the Ludo or Ludi, Maps, Messages. We have, on this phone I have two type of messages. You have basically I can use any sort of anyone. I'm currently using the first one. Phone, Fonto, Picture Grid, Pinterest, Play Store, Radio, Remove BG, sorry about that, Smart Max, settings, sorry, Share It, Shein, SnapMats, Spotify Lite, where I listen to my music, TikTok, Vita, VLLO, Wattpad, WhatsApp, X Recorder, Screen Recorder, YouTube Music, and YouTube Studio. Please ensure you guys watch my videos for more than 1 minute. I need to get those watch times, so watch them for at least watch them for 2 to 3 minutes. Come on guys. So this is the end of this video, so thank you very much. Bye.